Remember, TPMS is just as important of a safety system as your seatbelts or your ADAS technology. It will only tell you when something goes wrong. So I'm here to help you before it gets to that point.
Gotcha. That makes sense. Now, how do you suggest I maintain it?
I'm glad you asked. That's a question a lot of drivers have, especially if your shop explains the importance of TPMS. Tell them that monthly tire pressure checks are one of the simplest ways to keep TPMS working the way it should, and to keep their tires in good shape long before that warning light ever turns on. We're still in the midst of the winter season, and the cold always pushes people to pay more attention to their tires. Some check pressures only once during the season when the cold first hits. Others don't check it at all and expect your shop to catch everything during rotations or tire replacements. Sure, those visits help, but they're not frequent enough to keep tires performing the way they should. Tire pressure changes constantly. Natural air loss, shifting temperatures, and daily driving all cause PSI to drop. That's why recommending a monthly pressure check with a proper gauge goes a long way. And if your customers don't have a gauge, consider giving them one the next time they stop in. If you can't convince your customers about the importance of TPMS by relating it back to safety, just tell them it'll save them money. Underinflated tires wear out faster, so when customers stay on top of their PSI each month, they protect their investment and get more miles out of the tires they bought. Your customers may wonder why they can't just rely on their TPMS to tell them when pressure is low. Sure, it's a great safety feature, but it's not a replacement for regular manual checks. TPMS only lights up when pressure drops far below the recommended level. By the time that happens, the tire has already been stressed for a while. A quick look during a monthly PSI check can spot issues early, long before becoming a problem. That's why consistency matters. Customers can find the correct pressure in the owner's manual, on the driver's door jamb, or inside the fuel door. And if they're still unsure, your shop can point them in the right direction. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.